Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture on discrete mathematical structures. In my previous lecture video, we discussed about the principle of inclusion and exclusion and problems on the principle of inclusion and exclusion. So in this lecture video also we will be discussing some more problems based on the principle of inclusion and exclusion. Problem number 3. Find the number of non-negative integer solutions of the equation x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 18 under the conditions that xi is less than or equal to 7 for I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So to find the number of non-negative integer solutions, first thing is we have to find the order of the finite set S. So here the S denotes that set of all non-negative integer solutions of the given equation, that is the number of such solutions is given by the combination of 4 plus 18 minus 1 comma 18 is equal to combination of 21 comma 18. So this expansion is obtained by using the concept of combinations. So therefore the order of S will be equal to combination of 21 comma 18. So now I will be defining the subsets of the finite set S, that is A1, A2, A3, A4. So let A1 be the subset of S that contains the non-negative integer solutions of the given equation under the conditions that x1 is greater than 7. So if x1 itself greater than 7, obviously x2, x3, x4 will be greater than or equal to 0. So now I will be defining A1 is equal to x1, x2, x3, x4 which belongs to the set S with the condition that x1 is greater than 7. Similarly, A2 will be equal to x1, x2, x3, x4 which belongs to the set S with the condition that x2 is greater than 7. A3 is given by x1, x2, x3, x4 belongs to the set S with the condition that x3 is greater than 7. A4 is equal to x1, x2, x3, x4 which belongs to the set S with the condition that x4 is greater than 7. So now to find the number of non-negative integer solution, we will be finding the value of, the order of A1 complement, intersection A2 complement, intersection A3 complement, intersection A4 complement. So to find this, I will be defining the value, the one more variable y1, it is given by x1 minus 8. Since because of x1 is greater than 7, so I will be defining y1 is equal to x1 minus 8. So this equation is because of to find the order of A1 event. So now I will be representing the given equation in terms of y1 by replacing x1 is equal to y1 plus 8 from this equation. So I will be getting what? Y1 plus 8 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 18. On simplifying that I will be getting y1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 18. So hence the number of non-negative integer solution for this equation, it will be combination of 4 plus 10 minus 1 comma 10, it will be equal to combination of 13 comma 10. So similarly we can find the order of A2, A3, A4, it will be equal to the order of A1 only. So hence the order of all this A1, A2, A3, A4, the summation order of AI is given by combination of 13 comma 10. Similarly, to find the order of summation order of AI intersection AJ, I will be taking two variables now, that is y1 and y2. So y1 is given by x1 minus 8, y2 is given by x2 minus 8 with the condition that x1 is greater than 7, x2 is greater than 7. So now I will be incorporating this y1 and y2 in the given equation. So what I will get? y1 plus y2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 2 I will get after simplification. So now I will be finding the number of non-negative integer solution for the above equation. It is given by combination of 4 plus 2 minus 1 comma 2. It will be equal to combination of 5 comma 2. So hence the order of A1 intersection A2 will be equal to combination of 5 comma 2. Further, in the same way, the order of A1 intersection A3 is equal to order of A1 intersection A4 is equal to order of A2 intersection A3 is equal to order of A2 intersection A4 is equal to order of A3 intersection A4 will be equal to the order of A1 intersection A2 itself. So it is given by combination of 5 comma 2. So now at final I will be finding the number of non-negative integer solution. So that is given by order of A1 complement intersection A2 complement intersection A3 complement intersection A4 complement will be equal to mod of S or order of S minus summation AI plus summation order of AI intersection AJ minus summation order of AI intersection AJ intersection AK plus order of A1 intersection A2 intersection A3 intersection A4. Now I will be incorporating all the obtained values in the equation. I will be getting combination of 21 comma 18 minus 4C1 combination of 13 comma 10 plus 4C2 into combination of 5 comma 2, and these values are 0. This is 0 because of if more than 2 xi's are there means it will be obviously will be getting 0 there. So now on simplifying this I will be having 366. It means that the given equation x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 18 will be having 366 non-negative integer solutions. One more example, in how many ways 5 number of A's, 4 number of B's and 3 number of C's can be arranged so that all the identical letters are not in a single block. So to find this, so first thing is I will be defining the order of S. So to find the order of S, we must have a finite set. Okay. So it is given by the given letters actually how many 5 plus 4 plus is equal to 12. So out of this 5 are A's, 4 are B's and 3 are C's here. So if S is a set of all permutations of these 3 letters, I mean 5 A's, 4 B's and 3 C's, we will be having the order of S is equal to 12 factorial by 5 factorial, 4 factorial, 3 factorial. It means that out of 12, we will be having 5 A's, 4 B's and 3 C's. So now I will be defining the subsets A1, A2, A3 from the finite set S. So here the set A1 denotes that, in the A1, I will be assuming all the 5 A's are in a single block. Okay. So if 5 A's are in a single block means, I will be taking it as 1. 1 plus 4 plus is equal to 8 I will getting. So the order of A1 will be equal to 8 factorial by 4 into 3 factorial I will be getting. Similarly, I will be taking A2 is the, in A2 I will be assuming all the B's are in a single block. If B is a single block, I will be having 9 numbers. So therefore the order of A2 will be equal to 9 factorial by 5 factorial into 3 factorial. Similarly, I will be taking in A3, in the event A3, I will be taking C is a single block. So if C is a single block means I will be having 5 plus 4 plus 1 in number. So I will be getting order of A3 is equal to 10 factorial by 5 factorial into 4 factorial. Like this. Similarly, to find this A1 intersection A2, A1 intersection A3, A2 intersection A3. So in A1 intersection A2, I will be taking all the A's in single block, all the B's in single block. I will be having now 5 in numbers. So 5 divided by 3 factorial I will be getting for order of A1 intersection A2. For A1 intersection A3, I will be taking all the A's in single block, all the C's in single block. I will be having 6 in numbers. 6 factorial by 4 factorial is the order of A1 intersection A3. Similarly, in the A2 intersection A3, I will be taking all the B's in single block, all the C's in single block. I will be having 7 in numbers. So the order of A2 intersection A3 is 7 factorial by 5 factorial. Like this. The order of A1 intersection A2 is 5 factorial by 3 factorial. Order of A1 intersection A3 is 6 factorial by 4 factorial. Order of A2 intersection A3 is 7 factorial by 5 factorial. So in the last one, to find order of A1 intersection A2 intersection A3, I will be assuming A is a single block, B is a single block, 3 is a single block. So I will be having 3 numbers, it is 3 factorial. So now we are going to incorporate all this in the formula. The formula is the order of A1 complement intersection A2 complement intersection A3 complement will be equal to order of S minus summation order of AI plus summation order of AI intersection AJ minus order of A1 intersection A2 intersection A3. So now replacing all the values here, simplifying this, I will be having 25762 is the required solution for the given problem. One more example, in how many ways can the can the 26 English letter alphabets can be permuted so that the none of the patterns like cat, dog, pun and bite occurs in the permutation. So now let S denote the set of all permutation of 26 letters. Then the order of S will be equal to 26. So now I will be defining 4 events, that is A1, A2, A3, A4 is a subset of the finite set S. So here A1 denotes that in the A1 I will be assuming the car as a single block. Okay, I mean out of 26 letters, the car as I will be assuming as a single block. In the event A2, I will be assuming that dog as a single block. In the event A3, I will be assuming pun as a single block. In the event A4, I will be assuming bite as a single block. So now we can define the orders for A1, A2, A3, A4. So therefore, in the event A1, if car is a single block, I will be having 23 plus 1 letters, it is equal to 24 letters, right? So the order of A1 will be equal to 24 letters. Similarly, for dog and pun also, we can find the order of A3 as well as A2 is equal to 24 factorial. For the event A4, I will be having bite here. So bite means I will be having 22 plus 1 letter. So I will be having order of A4 is equal to 23 factorial. In the same way, I will be finding the order of A1 intersection A2, order of A1 intersection A3, order of A2 intersection A3, all contain 6 letters. It is given by 22 factorial. And order of A1 intersection A4, order of A2 intersection A3, order of A3 intersection A4 having 21 factorial as an order. And order of A1 intersection A2, order of intersection A3 will be equal to 20 factorial. And again order of A1 intersection A2 intersection A3, order of A1 intersection A3 intersection A4, order of A2 intersection A3 intersection A4 will be equal to 19 factorial. Finally, I am going to include all the numbers, that is A1 intersection A2 intersection A3 intersection A4 will be equal to 7 factorial. So in this event I will be assuming all this A1, A2, A3, A4 as in single blocks. So now I will be incorporating all the values in the equation. So I will be getting the solution like 26 factorial minus 3 times of 24 factorial plus 23 factorial plus 3 times of 22 factorial plus 3 times of 21 factorial minus 20 factorial plus 3 times of 19 factorial plus 17 factorial is the required solution for the given problem. Okay, in the next lecture video we will be discussing the next concept, that is derangements. Thank you.